Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about if you can link your Shopify to your TikTok shop. So to the answer to that is yes. So here under your Shopify, go to your admin page and then go to sales channel right here. Under sales channel, there's going to be recommended businesses. All you have to do is select TikTok. From there, it's going to redirect you to a new page, and here you can install it. And then of course you can run your TikTok shop from your Shopify store. Then you can import and then you can link your products there to your Shopify store for better integration. As you can see, the languages that are supported here are English, Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, and Turkish. So here you can build TikTok style ads in minutes, simplify product uploads, and install the TikTok pixel in one click to measure the performance of your ads. So you can sell TikTok shop and manage your business in Shopify, but only in the US and UK only. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.